Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. um I must say that last week was not actually the best week for me. My trade, my buyers, everything didn't work out as I planned, but this week, let's see, we'll go over and analyze the chart and see what we can correct this week so that we'll have a better trading week. So let's start our analysis from the monthly time frame on DXY. So if you look at, we have this current dealing range on the monthly time frame on DXY, and if you look close to the left, you see that we had some inefficiencies which price reached to and rejected. So we have rejected from these inefficiencies. So let's pay attention to the recent price action. Okay, we have it in mind that this price action right here, retraced into a premium array on the left side. Then price traced lower and created a fair value gap here. We created a fair value gap here. Then we'll go ahead and name it. Monthly fair value gap. All right. So if we look to the down, we also see that price retraced into a fair value gap also. So we still go ahead and name it fair value gap and a monthly time frame. Okay. So guys, if you look closely again, we would want to define this range, and we can see that price is currently on the premium side of the market. So when price reached into this fair value gap, after mitigating this fair value gap, price reached into this fair value gap and traced lower, creating another fair value gap here. So we just call it a fair value gap on a monthly time frame. All right, you see, price respected this fair value gap once, created a swing high structure here, but price broke out of that structure and disrespected the fair value gap. Price trades into this bearish order block right here, which is also a swing point, a bullish swing point here. So currently this month, we can see that price, after trading into this fair value gap, price is kind of playing around, rejecting off of this order block right here. And this is why my last week trading was not good, because when I saw this green candle disrespect this fair value gap, I was thinking, okay, price might see this buy side liquidity here, take it and complete this fair value gap here, but price decided to dump hence I lost some money. I experienced some drawdown last week. So that is all I see on this monthly time frame. Let's go down to the weekly time frame to see what price has over there. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. You can see this is the fair value gap, monthly fair value gap that we disrespected, right? When price disrespected this fair value gap on the weekly time frame, we created a bullish fair value gap here. As you can see, this candle high, this candle low, the gap in between. Price retrace back into this fair value gap and reject, creating indecision. On this candle, I was thinking, okay, we might be going bullish from here. So I was looking for buying opportunity. As you can see, price traded bearish again. I said, okay, maybe we just want to reclaim the fair value gap. Price respected the fair value gap and printed a bullish candle here. I was thinking, okay, we might be positioning to go bullish from there. Then this week, see what price did. But I'm still thinking that price might still continue bullish because price is in this bearish bullish order block. And as you can see, we have not violated this order block, so I'm hoping that price could reverse from here and go bullish. We do not have, if you look close, we don't have any PD array like fair value gap. I like trading fair value gap. That is what I specialize in. We do not have any fair value gap within this bearish leg here, and price is at a support level, which is a bullish order block. Price traded into this fair value gap and respected it. Went up, violated this fair value gap, trades into the bullish order block. I'm thinking that price will continue to go higher. That is what I'm thinking. I might be wrong, but I will have it as my bias this week to continue bullish, unless I see something that tells me that we might not be going bullish or we might not be continuing bullish, but I will continue bullish. So we already know that we are currently at this order block right here. So there's not too much on this chart, so let's go down to the daily time frame. Yes, daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame, here we are. So on the daily time frame, we'll see, if you look at this mini range here, from this low here, this swing low to this swing high, we have a relative equal high above this on this level here. You can see a relative equal high here. Price retrace back into this fair value gap, completes it, and trade into this bearish bullish order block, this consecutive bearish candle. This is a complete bearish candle, and this an indecision. So if you put them together, we'll have a bullish order block, right? So and we know that when we have a relative equal highs, price tends to always gravitate towards those highs to clear out the liquidity that we have here. So we'll just go ahead and mark it. Just mark it buy side liquidity and relative equal highs. Yes, okay. So we might be looking for price to trade and take out this high or equal highs here on the DXY. So if we are bullish on the DXY, that means on foreign currencies like the GBPUSD, we are going to be bearish. Euro USD will be bearish. So any foreign currency will be bearish if we are bullish on DXY. So that is all for the DXY. So let's go down to the GBPUSD and analyze the chart. Nope. Okay. On GBPUSD, the case is some kind of different. As you can see, we just respected this monthly fair value gap. We just respected this monthly fair value gap. That is why in trading, you need to be very calm. You need to be very patient, and you need to always watch out for things that will always tell you that your bias is not going to work. If you compare what we see on GBPUSD and the DXY, you can see that on DXY there's no much clarity, but here on GBPUSD we are seeing that the monthly time frame is completely showing that we are going to be bullish. But we cannot just base our analysis on the monthly time frame until we go down to the subordinate time frame to see what we have here. But currently on this time frame, we see that we are respecting the monthly fair value gap, and price is currently trading out of it. So we just go ahead and mark out other key areas that price might also decide to or want to gravitate towards. So here we have a buy side liquidity. We also have a buy side liquidity here. Then on the left we have what? A fair value gap. So we have a fair value gap. I will give it monthly. Price might decide to come into this fair value gap before continuing bearish. We don't know. That is why we'll follow our weekly and daily profile to see how we are going to position ourselves for coming days and coming weeks. So that is it. So let's go down to the weekly time frame to see what price is showing. Okay, you see on the weekly time frame, let me just reposition this thing. Okay, on the weekly time frame, if you look at this leg here, we traded into, after completing the rebalance on the monthly time frame, we traded into a bullish order block on the weekly time frame here. You see this bearish candle. It's a bullish order block on the weekly time frame. We'll respect it and we are trading away from it. So if we are trading away from it, what will be our next target? At this point, I need to pay more attention since this is what this is a currency I'm trading. I just use DXY as a measuring tool. You understand? So this is the currency pair that I'm trading, GBPUSD. So I'll just pay attention on what the pair is currently doing, and you can see it is tipping that we are continuing bullish. We are continuing bullish, but I'll still wait for my daily profiles to tell me that okay, we are continuing bullish. That is it, guys. So we trade out of this monthly fair value gap and the weekly order block, and price is reaching towards this buy side liquidity here. Okay, there's not too much on this time frame though. The price action here is just clear, just crystal clear and simple. Why did I say so? We trade into a monthly fair value gap, trade into a weekly order block, and we are pushing away from it aggressively. You can see the massive weekly candle that we are pushing. So let's go down to the daily time frame, because this week we might see a little bit of retracement into this into previous week trading range before continuing bullish. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that price created what this almost relative equal highs here, guys. I know yes, we have taken liquidity there, but there's still a relative equal highs to me. Relative equal highs. Price might just decide to run it one more time to completely close above it. Then we also have what's a daily fair value gap here. We have a daily fair value gap. Give it daily fair value gap, right? We also have a smaller fair value gap here. We'll also mark it out. Okay. Some of you will ask, why am I putting D? So this is if you look at D, this D simplifies or signifies that we are this fair value gap is on the daily time frame, and when you see fair value gap W or M, it signifies that it is a fair value gap on the monthly or the weekly time frame, etc. So if I'm at another time frame and I see this fair value gap, I will know, okay, we have a fair value gap on so time frame, like the weekly, the monthly, or daily, the 4-hour time frame. That's how I just do it. So I think price might decide to drop into this fair value gap, here, then continue higher to seek liquidity on this swing high and this single high, as you can see. So that is what I'm thinking, that price might decide to drop into this fair value gap. Okay, let me show you something, guys. If you look at these two candles here, this candle and this candle, look at the low on this candle and this candle. You can see that they are almost equal. They are not equal actually, but they are almost equal. This is a pool of liquidity. That's why I'm thinking that price might decide to drop lower, maybe after completely running this liquidity, drop lower into this fair value gap, then continue higher, guys. So guys, that is all for today's weekly outlook. I always end my weekly outlook on the daily time frame. I don't want to go to the intraday time frame because I'm an intraday trader. I don't want to go into those time frame because I might start seeing things that will tell me we are going to buy, we are going to sell. So I just keep it simple, monthly, weekly, and daily time frame. So when I go on the trading days, I'll just use my daily profile and weekly profile to read the chart more. So if you made it this far, I want to say a very big thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video so that the algorithm will recommend the videos to other viewers to support my channel. Without much ado, I want to say a very big thank you and see you on the next one. Peace.